Recently, some customers purchased pellet machine from Yuan, urging us to deliver it to him, and wanted to produce pellets earlier. Some people are about to ask, biomass pellets can be used for heating, but the weather is so hot now, that it is not in a hurry to wait for tomorrow, to put into production. As the saying goes, react early, and seize the opportunities in the industry. The cold air is coming faster than you think. Don't wait for the weather to get colder, and when the market is looking for a large number of biomass pellets, your factory has not been put into production. This is Yuan 560 biomass pellet machine, with a power of 132 kilowatts and an hourly output of 1.5 tons. If you need a large output pellet machine, you can choose Yuan 850 pellet machine. The power is 250 kilowatts, and the output is 3 tons per hour. The pellets produced by Yuan pellet mill are of good quality and high integrity. Heart is worse than action. Yuan crushing and crushing machines, rotary cutters, packaging machines, and dust removal. Yuan has more than 20 years of experience in production, design and installation, and is the world's leading manufacturer of complete biomass pellet equipment. You can find all the equipment you need at Yuan.